In front of me is Oppo Reno 12F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, select this gear one. Tap on voice typing and use the switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!